Hi Kent, hi Guillaume, hi Stefan, good evening games. Good evening, Carol. Yeah, it was a good week. All right, thank you for reading that disclaimer. Welcome back to another week of Marco Making the Million. It's January 10th today, and it's the 21st week of this challenge. So today we're going to go through the results of the week as usual. I'm going to talk about the timeline of 2021. We have some new updates of our algos this year. I'm going to talk about the new trial that starts on Sunday next week. I'm going to talk about the issue that we have had with the ProRealAlgo Plus algos, that they have stopped unexpectedly, and the solution to solve that. And then I'm going to talk about the 1 million bar upgrade in the ProRealTime version 11. All right. So we have a new trials period starting on Sunday next week. It's a demo period for 3 weeks, and it includes all 20 algos, the 10 original algos and the 10 new ProRealAlgo Plus algos. It's free to use for everyone, so please tell your friends. Go to ProRealAlgos.com/landing to sign up for the trial. And when Sunday comes, you will receive all these algos to the email that you have supplied in the sign-up form. All right. Do you remember this image? This is an image of an extensive data mining work that we have performed or done the last couple of months. We have analyzed all trades of all algos and tried to find patterns and edges and other parameters that could help us develop even better algos. So we have worked on this for several months, and this is just a small part of all the info that we have gathered. And what I want to tell you about this is that we have now created a filter that we will now apply to all 10 original algos. The 10 original algos will be re-optimized with this new filter, and they will be re-optimized with the 800,000 new bars that we have just gotten access to through the new ProRealTime version. So that's what we were doing in January, and we hope to be done with this in the start of February. And I would just like to show you the timeline of 2021. So we are here today, and as I mentioned, we will re-optimize the 10 algos, the 10 original algos for the 1 million bars, as well as the filters that we have developed the last several months. And when we have done this, we will also re-optimize the new ProRealAlgo Plus algos for the 1 million data units. And the new ProRealAlgo Plus algos are extensive code, and running an optimization of of 1 million bars takes a lot of time. We're talking 1 month per algo. So that's why we are planning to release one updated version, one updated algo per month of 2021. That's how long it takes. Running an optimization of 1 million bars takes a lot of time, especially with this code that we are running. So we'll try to do it faster, but we expect it to take 1 month each. And the reason that we are re-optimizing all our algos is because we have observed this behavior. So this is the in-sample period. This is the 200,000 bars, or sorry, we actually only optimize for around 60% of the 200,000 bars. And that is this line here, and we optimize it, and the equity curve will look something like this. It's a steep equity curve, and when we're starting the algo will return gains, but it will not return them in the same level as the in-sample period. And that is expected, of course, since we have built the algo to perform at its best for the historical data. It will never, I would say, never perform better in the out of sample period if you look at it in a longer period of time. So this is expected, and when we got access to the 800,000 new bars, data points, we could see that the new out of sample period was something like this. It was similar to the out of sample period after starting the algo. A little bit less returns on the out of sample period here, I would say. So and we believe that if we re-optimize the algo for more data units, we will get a more robust algo, and it will perform better in the out of sample period after starting it. So this is how it will look when we have done this. We will use an in-sample period of around 800,000 bars, maybe even more, 850,000 bars. And then we will use an out of sample period of around 150,000 bars. And what we are expecting is that the out of samples period will be better. It will be return better gains, more gains. But what you will see in the backtest is that the backtest will not show the amazing results that you have seen in our previous backtest when we've only used 200,000 bars. So the end result for you will be more gains, but a backtest that looks not as good as it has done previously. Stop order was placed below the minimum distance required by a broker. So this is a problem that many of you have experienced the last couple of weeks with the new ProRealAlgo Plus algos. This is an error that means that the algo has tried to put a stop order too close to the current price. And this is dependent on your broker, on the volatility of the market at this exact moment, and so forth. So the solution for this is to start your algo with readjustable stops. This is something you do when you start the algo. This is the window of ProRealTime when you click the start button of an algo. And what you will see to the right is a checkbox of readjust stops. So check this box, enter the max number of contracts, make sure that the time zone is UTC +1, and then click activate trading system. So what this does is that the ProRealTime will adjust the stop order to the minimum distance required by a broker. So it's an easy fix. All right, so these are the results of the week. We had a good week. We have a good latent gain of the weekend. We made a total of 25 wins and 8 losses with a win rate that is 75.676%. Let's look at the Marco Making a Million account. These are the position sizes that we are running today on this account. We are running all 20 algos except the Nikkei algo that is too high leverage for the equity of the account right now. We'll start it in a couple of weeks when the equity account is higher. All right, so here's the equity curve of the Marco Making a Million account since start. We have made a total gain so far of 35%. We have a latent gain of the weekend of 326 euros. And we are behind the projections, a few weeks behind it. We are not worried. We will reach the 1 million goal, and it's a long challenge. It's 48 months. So a lot of things will happen along the way. We will have good returns, and we are not worried at all. If we were to include the latent gain of the weekend, this would be the equity curve and a total gain of 41%. Right, so let's look through the results. Right, PRA US 100 M5. One small loss. PRA plus SP 500 M5. One loss. PRTA STXE M5. One win. PRA IBEX M5. One big win. PRA FTSE M5. One, two, three, and 4 wins this week. PRA OMX M5. No trades this week. PRA DAX M5. One win. PRA Dow M5. One loss and one win. PRA Crude M5. One win, one loss. PRA CAC M5. One win. PRTA FTSE M5. No trades this week. PRTA DAX M2. Let's see. One loss, 1, 2, 3, and 4 wins. PRTA SP500 M3. No trades this week. PRTA DAX M3. Three big wins. PRTA US 100 M30. One loss. PRTA US 100 M2. 2 wins. Oops. PRTA Dow M5. 2 wins. That was it, right? Yeah, that was all the trades this week. So, all right, so that's it. Please tell your friends about the trial that starts on Sunday next week. It's free for everyone to use, so you could download it yourself and run it on a separate account if you would like. If you want to join this challenge, please go to ProRealAlgos.com and purchase the All Algo package. All algos that are used in this challenge can be found in the All Algo package. So, yeah, see you again next week. Bye. Hi Fabian, I'm very well, how are you? Yes, readjustable stops is a new feature for version 11. I didn't want to say anything officially on the stream, but we believe that the next couple of weeks until the end of March or to the middle of April will be a very good time for the ProRealAlgos. As we will probably see a good trend upwards. That's our projection. Yes, Fabian, please let your friends know. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Michael.